usually pag buy and sell, iniisip nila mga sige, just let me know. What did you buy, Basilayon? This my very handsome client. Nabili ko ng kotse niya before. Oo.
Number 1.
Okay, so we bought his car before. So we're gonna buy a car today. We're gonna meet him dito sa Ayala, Ayala. Very close to the showroom. We're gonna buy a 2018 Almera Automatic na in good condition. Very good condition. So we'll just wait for him. Mag-mall muna tayo. Relax muna konti bago magbakbakan. Kakatuwa naman. But sometimes I see my clients in the mall. We're here now in Ayala. We're gonna meet our client, si Mr. Jake. And we're gonna buy his 2018 Almera. I don't know where I'm meeting him yet, but we're gonna look for him. In the meantime, nakakatawa naman, we saw one of our clients from before. Saying din, bumili ng BYD kasi si Mr. Jake, he's gonna sell his Almera to buy a BYD car. Ito, okay ito ah. Pwede. Para siyang wayfarer. Mo talaga, Habibi, welcome to Dubai. Datingan. Okay, so we'll just wait for the client here para kitang-kita ko sa harap mismo ng pen shop. After that, we're gonna check the car, final inspection tayo, and then pay, sign, done. Ganun lang kabilis. When you deal with me, Colo Gadarsio Cars, ganun lang. Easy peasy transaction. Online transfer tayo, video to video, so no cash, cashless transaction. So extra safe and convenient.
Ayos lang.
Okay na nakabidyo tayo sa vlog. So this is my very handsome client, Sir Jake. Balik ka, check natin yung car.
Sige.
So final inspection lang tayo with Mr. Jake. Tapos online transfer naman tayo, kaya no cash needed. Mas gusto ko yun eh. Number 1, safe. Number 2, nasa account na agad. Kasi marami mga fake bills going around ngayon eh. Para di mo rin mababawi, di mo done na talaga. Ayan. So, final checking lang tayo with the car. Okay naman yung kotse. Automatic siya, 2018 Almera. The miles around 80,000. Good first car ito. If you're looking for your first car, this is one of a very, very good choice too. For a first car, for a small family. Very, very good choice. Ito mga suggestion ko na kotse. Kasi budget siya, not that expensive, easy to maintain. Ayan, sorry. Mali pala ako. Ang mileage is only 84. Rack and pinion is good. Aircon. Nissan ito. So, maganda aircon nito. Ayan. Kumagat na. Malamig. Okay. Very good. Very good. Yun. Super lamig actually. Power windows work. Okay. Let's check the hood. Everything's okay. I don't see any signs of major collision. Engine. No leaks. Oh, Japanese car ito eh. Good car. Okay. I'm good na. Bayaran portion na. Excited ka na sa bago mong kotse?
Oo, sa Friday na namin Sa Friday na namin.
Ano ko Basilayon?
Basilayon.
Oh, nice. Very good choice. Okay, so we're finally done. Okay na kami.
Yes.
Okay.
Galing shake hands.
Yeah, oo. Personal. So, girl lang. Mas matagal pa minsan nasa phone ako. So, sorry, Mr. Jake. Pag itong oras, especially Monday to actually every day. So, thank God. I always thank God. I'm always very busy. Kasi that means we're making people happy. Kaya, ata kayo mga tao, kasi usually pag buy and sell, iniisip nila mga barat, no? Let's just be honest. Pero look at Mr. Jake's smile. Hindi siya yung it's not super ideal, but everybody's happy. Happy everybody. I give a fair price na my client is also very happy with the price. Tapos ngayon, sa Friday, bago na kotse niya.
Yes.
So anyway, we're done. This is Colo Gadarsio, your favorite trade-in partner. If you want to buy cars, want to sell cars, just come to the showroom. Just look for me, Colo Gadarsio. Have a nice day.